Hi guys, so this is going to be my second video for today. I do have a tutorial on this look. It's paying homage to the one and only Savannah Silva. You can follow her on Instagram. But I'm going to be doing the mom tag. I really wanted to do this video with Jonathan, but he ain't here. He's at school. So yeah, so there are 20 questions. Hopefully I can get through all of them. I don't know, but hopefully. You know, I like this little thing here. It's cute, right? This blonde wig. Yeah, honey. What is... So what is this? This for the office. Why we can't just look neat in our video? We just want to look neat. So our first question is how old were you when you had your first child? That is Jonathan, and I'm 32 now. I had him when I was 22, but we're 33 this year, so I had him when I was 30. 2015. I had him in 2015. So 2015, I was what age? Jesus Christ. You don't know? Look, I'm gonna calendar. January. Come on, let's do this. Oh Lord. 2015. 20. I'm gonna say 30. Jonathan was 29. 29 or 30. That's old. Anyway, what was the hardest thing about being pregnant for 9 months? Well, I wasn't pregnant for 9 months. I was pregnant for 8 and something months. They say it's never really 9. It's always 8 and something. But it was very difficult. I've gained the most weight I've ever gained in my life. And it was just hard to do things. I was always winded. I felt like I had to be like constantly, it's like them will watch me because I had a miscarriage before I had Jonathan, so I was afraid of that happening again. And also I wanted to just take it easy, just relax. So I was like, I got my foot, I was just always sitting down, relaxing. They were not stressing me out, so it took a toll on me physically and emotionally as well. Can you think of any good things you enjoyed doing those 9 months? Just knowing that every single day, like, this child is growing over my body. And because we knew it was a boy, and I would talk to him and rub my belly, and I was like, listen, man, I feel just gonna come out and I'm doing nights. Oh, come on, we'll beat you. Door, wheel upon. You know, I just talked to him and stuff, so I enjoyed that. In your opinion, were all the things you heard about childbirth accurate or way off? I mean, in between. Them say first pick not gonna spoil. I don't think so. I don't think he is. Jonathan understands. He may want what he wants, which is how we are as human beings, and even more so as like being a child. But he understands a lot of things because we don't hide anything from Jonathan. We're very explanatory when we speak to him. We explain ourselves. We make sure he understands thoroughly what it is that we are talking about. So it wasn't really way off at all. It's just that they say that giving birth is hard, but you never know that pain until you are there. You know, you don't know until it's there. It's happening. Like labor pain. I only wish it was my worst. You know, people say, "No, I don't wish it was my worst enemy." Me wish it. Wish it, man. Wish it was my worst enemy. Labor pain. Horrible. I remember I braided my hair, I think the week before, and like when we did Donald Jonathan, like my braids just fell out to the back of my head because I was like this in the bed in pain, like rubbing my head. I was like then sorry, I keep the thing tripod, and then every minute I would doze off for like a couple seconds. I'm gonna jump up. It was honey. Would you have handled childbirth differently if you could redo it? No, it's pain. You can't handle pain differently. You probably know it again come and probably gear up yourself, but in the gearing up of yourself, you still lose it because it's painful. And then I hear with each child is something different. Oh, what a answer. With each child is something different. So I'm like, Lord have mercy, Jesus. What would be your advice for someone who is about to have a baby? This is a difficult question because I'm considering everybody, single mothers, mothers who are going to have their child or children and don't want it, and the daddy will have to take care of it. The child being born and mother can't handle it, but the daddy's not around, so the family have to help. What I would say to that is, whoever wants to raise that child, love that child. Love will completely change your child's life. Yo, it's when Jonathan did just born, yo, I kept on holding his face in my hand and I rub him like this, and I said, Mommy loves you, Mommy loves you, Mommy loves you, Mommy loves you. I always say I love you every single day of my life. And you know what Jonathan doesn't know? He's so affectionate. So I'll be sitting down and I'm having a bad day or something. I'm sitting down, just not talking, just like straight face, and he comes to me, Mommy, you alright? What happened? What happened, Mommy? Mommy, what happened? Mommy, the lion never gonna hurt him, Mommy. And I'm getting fed off the lion and the monsters. Lie down in my lap. He's so sweet. He's so adorable. Right, so just love that baby. Love. What has been the hardest thing about being a mom? Just the fact that you're raising another child. Not that you have to be balancing jobs or babysitters or anything, because I believe once you put your mind to it, we can do it. As whether you're a single mother or you're married or you're going through a divorce or you were unfortunately, it was given to you through, you got pregnant through aggression, if you understand what I'm saying. I feel like the hardest part is raising that child, because you have a huge part to play in what that child becomes in the society where he or she lives, in the world, in his community, in his school. You know what I mean? You have a heavy hand in that. And yes, of course, the environment molds them as well, but the Bible says, train up a child in the way that he should go, and when he's old, he will not depart from it. Now, a lot of you are thinking, yeah, but me was a Christian, but I'm not Christian again. But it's been instilled in you. So certain things, even though you're not a Christian or you're not practicing or whatever, there are certain things you don't do. Certain things that's uncomfortable for you to do. Certain things that you've done and that you'll never do again, because your parents, they have trained you in the way that you should grow. So yeah. What is? She said ear. What is? Can I scare my ear? Alright. So, what is the most rewarding thing about being a mom? Just Jonathan, just his affection. He's very, very affectionate, as I've said. So him being affectionate is one of the most rewarding things, and he's so understanding. He's so inquisitive. He asks questions and I answer. Yo, like Jonathan, there's no more Jonathan in the world. Them done. I have the only one we have. What's your best memory? What is the best memory you have involving your child when he was just born? Right, and they yanked him out to me, and then the nurse had him upside. So it was like upside down, them turn him. Mother, what is this, male or female? Mother, male or female? It's a boy. That's a birthmark. Oh. That was my best memory, like seeing him outside of my body and with his little cute birthmark and stuff, and he's all upside down, and so she had to flip him back over and ask me male or female. That was cute. Oh, this is cute too. This is cute. What? Girl, let me just, girl. Okay, we doing bangs now, honey. This is what we doing. This is what we doing. This is what we doing, honey. Yes. Sit my camera up and look. My Face ID works. Okay. What was the most exciting milestone? When Jonathan did not wet the bed one night. I was like, yes, 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 just my child's a prodigy. And then, you know, downhill from there. But I have that first night. I always had it in my heart, in my chesticles. What was the worst thing a child has ever done? Just regular boy stuff, getting to fight at schools, which, to be honest, maybe I encourage you to or not, but I'm like, yo, Jonathan, you have to, first of all, Jonathan ramp rough. Oh, God. For a little boy, his strength is beyond his years. And I was like, bro, first of all, you know, because, you know, and train up a child, you know, and like, put your hands up, Jonathan, you know, you got a jab and stuff. But just him being a boy and at school, you know, involving other people's children, because you know, other people pick me. He understands the difference, but him just love Ram. What habit did you wish your child didn't have? A habit? I don't know. I feel like at his age, or at their age, or at that age, they do things that they're going to automatically grow out of. And if he does something that he knows he's not supposed to do, or he doesn't know, so we tell him, hey, you're not supposed to be doing that, he knows not to do it again. He's a very obedient child. Oh, him love have him only. But I think that's everybody, and that's every child. So whenever we tell Jonathan no, we have to explain to him, alright, so this is why it's no, this is why it's yes. You have to explain. I don't like when Jonathan put that down. Why? Because my mother put it down. I don't like to do that. I like to explain, well, that doesn't belong to daddy. That's somebody else's, and it's feel it's heavy. If it falls, it's going to break. And if it break, I'm gonna have to beat you. It's just the balance of life, you know. And say, okay, and then put it down, explain to your child, this band is so cute. Wait, let me see if I can. Girl, I'm out here being a hairstylist. But yes, honey, yes. Yes, honey, yes. Girl, do you want me to do your hair or not? No? Yeah, I understand me. That's a no too. Okay, so what habit of theirs makes you most proud? Everything. He's very resilient, which can be negative, but I love that about him. He's very strong-minded, which can be negative, but I love that about him. He cannot sway Jonathan's mind. Excuse me, if his mind is made up, it's made up until you give him another reason to change his mind. He's a leader, and I love that in Jonathan. I love that in Jonathan, and he's extremely smart. Because as I say, like we tell him things, we don't close him off to anything. You understand? Like we speak to him, we talk to him. Man, do you share any similarities with your child, both physical and personality? Yes, he definitely has both of our personalities. Jermaine's seriousness and my love ramp. Lord God, I'm love ramp. And he's very open, and he says exactly what he says without thinking. That's what I do. Jermaine is a thinker. So Jermaine will think about what he's saying and then say it. I just say it, and he's like, and then I have to bring it back. And oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say. Well, I meant it, but I shouldn't have, and I'm sorry. You know, so Jonathan has that, where he's very honest with how he's feeling and what he's thinking. And that may sound like, yeah, all children does that. No, it depends on how you raise them. Because some of them may ask them what's wrong, and they'll tell you no, 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 from no to then kingdom come, and you'll never know. You will never ever know. Okay, so 16, where would you like your child to be in 10 years? In 10, he's gonna be 13. I don't know. Good school prodigy, handsome as ever. You die. But if I'm not calling my phone, but may I speak to Jonathan, please? He's not here. I'm not. Hi, can I talk to Jonathan, please? Who is this? Sarah. Wrong number. Mommy, who that? You do your homework? What is something that having a child has taught you? How much, and I'm going to say this again, how much influence you have on people. Not just people in your circle, like your friends and your family or whatever, but people in general. Yo, even if you're not on social media, people are watching. And believe it or not, some people are just waiting for it to fail to say, yeah man, I know she couldn't do it. Or some are waiting for it to say, yes, finally she did it, I can do it. You're being watched. So having Jonathan has taught me that I think both him and Jermaine balances me, which is weird because I can't have two balance, I think. But he made me learn. He's teaching me to explain more, you know, and not just leave things cut and dry. So he has taught me that. I love him, you know. Did you imagine that you'd be a mom at the age that you become a mom? No, I imagined it earlier. Describe your child in a single sentence. My child is amazing. have you changed as a person since becoming a mom? That was the last question. Yes, I have changed, honey. I feel like I'm more vigilant, Lord God, tolerant. Oh Jesus, because I'm on worship. So Sundays on Sundays or on Tuesdays when German is playing and I'm singing, Jonathan is just like running around. So now I give him the pep when I don't say no, come on. Don't do that again. Sit down. Sit down. And he doesn't move. Or like mid worship and run off. Come back on. You know, if I be versatile. So it has taught me versatility as well. Oh my god. What is this? Let me see if this looks cute. This looks cute. This looks stupid. Stupid. Yeah, this is Buddha. This is way Buddha. Yes, so versatility, tolerance, patience, understanding. So this is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be googling more tag videos and I'll be doing them. So there you go. Thank you for watching, you guys. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.